Did you know that the average American spends nearly $2,000 on a single vacation? What if you could slash that cost dramatically, even travel for free? In this video, we'll show you how to unlock incredible travel opportunities using credit card points and miles, making your summer 2026 dream vacation a reality. If you're ready to travel smarter, hit that subscribe button. And let us know in the comments, what's your biggest travel dream for next summer? Let's dive into the exciting world of travel hacking. At its core, travel hacking is simply the art of strategically using credit card rewards, points, and miles to significantly reduce or eliminate the cost of your travel. Think of it like collecting loyalty points at your favorite store, but for flights and hotels. The real magic happens with sign-up bonuses. Many travel credit cards offer a massive chunk of points just for opening a new card and meeting a minimum spending requirement within the first few months. For example, some cards offer over 75,000 bonus points, enough for a round-trip international flight. This is why summer 2026 is the perfect time to start. The travel industry is booming, and credit card companies are offering some of the most lucrative sign-up bonuses we've seen in years. To leverage these, you'll want a good credit score, generally 670 or higher, and a commitment to responsible credit card use. We'll explore the different types of cards, from airline-specific ones to general travel rewards, and how to pick the best fit for your travel style. This is educational content, not financial advice. A strong credit score is the cornerstone of unlocking premium travel rewards. It acts as a financial passport signaling to lenders reliability and a history of responsible borrowing. For instance, a score of 700 or higher significantly increases the chances of approval for cards offering the most lucrative sign-up bonuses and benefits. This foundation is essential for accessing travel perks like complimentary flights and hotel stays, turning dream summer vacations into achievable realities. Understanding the landscape of travel credit cards is the next vital step. These cards generally fall into three main categories, each serving a distinct purpose for the savvy traveler. There are airline-specific cards ideal for frequent flyers of a particular carrier, offering benefits like free checked bags and priority boarding. Then, hotel-specific cards cater to loyal patrons of hotel chains, providing perks such as free nights and elite status. Finally, general travel cards offer flexibility, allowing points to be redeemed across a wide array of airlines and hotels. Consider the airline co-branded card like the Delta SkyMiles Gold American Express card. According to the card issuer, it offers benefits such as a free first-checked bag and priority boarding on Delta flights. Alternatively, a hotel card like the Marriott Bonvoy Boundless Visa offers a free night award annually after the account anniversary. These specific benefits can quickly add up, significantly reducing out-of-pocket expenses for summer trips. Summer 2026 travel plans are taking shape, and the dream vacation doesn't have to be out of reach due to soaring costs. A strategic approach to credit card rewards can unlock incredible value, potentially making flights and accommodations feel almost free. This segment delves into the elite picks for summer 2026 travel credit cards, focusing on those offering the most compelling sign-up bonuses right now. Consider the Chase Sapphire Preferred card. It's a perennial favorite, known for its robust rewards program and excellent travel perks. Currently, new cardholders can often find sign-up bonuses that offer tens of thousands of points, which can translate into significant savings on flights or hotel stays. For instance, a bonus of 60,000 points, as often seen, could cover a substantial portion of a round-trip international flight. Then there's the American Express Platinum card. This card is geared towards the premium traveler, offering benefits like airport lounge access, statement credits for travel purchases, and elite status with various hotel programs. While its annual fee is higher, the sign-up bonuses can be exceptionally generous, sometimes exceeding 100,000 membership rewards points. Could these points cover a luxury weekend getaway? And let's not forget the American Express Gold card, which excels at earning bonus points on everyday spending categories like groceries and dining, making it a powerhouse for accumulating rewards on regular purchases. These premium travel credit cards offer a gateway to a more elevated travel experience, extending benefits far beyond simple point accumulation. For instance, access to airport lounges, like the Priority Pass network, can transform a stressful layover into a moment of relaxation, complete with complimentary snacks and Wi-Fi. Did you know that over 1,300 lounges worldwide are accessible through select cards? Furthermore, many top-tier cards provide substantial annual travel credits. The American Express Platinum Card, for example, offers up to $200 in statement credits per calendar year for prepaid hotel bookings made through Amex Travel. Imagine saving hundreds of dollars on accommodations before even booking your travel. Another significant perk is the elimination of foreign transaction fees. For travelers frequently visiting international destinations, this can lead to considerable savings. A study by NerdWallet found that the average foreign transaction fee is around 3%, meaning a $2,000 vacation abroad could incur an extra $60 in fees without this benefit. This seemingly small detail can add up to a substantial amount over multiple trips, making international exploration more affordable and convenient. Unlocking the full potential of credit card sign-up bonuses is key to making that summer 2026 getaway a reality. The strategy revolves around understanding and effectively meeting those initial spending requirements. For instance, a common bonus might offer 60,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. But how does one naturally reach that threshold without overspending? Consider shifting everyday purchases to the new card. Groceries, for example, can add up quickly. The average American household spends over $500 per month on groceries, according to the USDA. By consistently using the card for these recurring expenses, that minimum spend requirement begins to melt away. Beyond daily essentials, creative solutions exist. Think about prepaying certain bills. Many utility companies and even some property management services allow for advance payments. This effectively front-loads spending onto the card, ensuring the minimum spend is met well within the promotional period, without incurring additional costs beyond the initial payment. Did you know that some studies suggest individuals who plan their spending are more likely to achieve their financial goals? This methodical approach transforms a potentially daunting task into a manageable, even exciting, part of the travel planning process. Strategically using credit cards for everyday purchases can significantly amplify the value of spending, turning routine transactions into opportunities for travel rewards. Consider the grocery store, a common expense for most households. By using a card that offers bonus points on groceries, such as the American Express Gold Card, which earns 4x membership rewards points at U.S. supermarkets on up to $25,000 in purchases per calendar year, those weekly food bills can build up impressive point balances. What if a card offers rotating bonus categories? These often include popular spending areas like gas stations or dining. For instance, a card might offer 5% cash back, or 5x points on purchases in these categories for a specific quarter. Did you know that by consistently staying on top of these rotating categories, a savvy spender could earn hundreds, even thousands of bonus points annually? It's like finding hidden treasure in plain sight, transforming a simple gas fill-up or a restaurant meal into a step closer to a free flight. Understanding these bonus categories is key. Some cards are designed as all-around point earners, while others specialize. For example, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card offers 3x points on dining, 3x points on online grocery purchases, and 3x points on select streaming services. This means that rather than using a single card for everything, a slightly more deliberate approach to payment can yield a much richer return. It's about matching the right card to the right spending. When it comes to maximizing those hard-earned travel points, understanding redemption options is key, and there are two primary paths: booking directly through a credit card's travel portal, or transferring points to airline and hotel partners. Each method presents unique advantages and potential pitfalls. Consider this: booking through a travel portal often offers a fixed redemption value, making it straightforward to calculate how far points will stretch. For example, a portal might offer a consistent 1.25 cents per point for travel bookings. However, this can sometimes mean missing out on more lucrative, albeit more complex, redemption opportunities. Conversely, transferring points to airline or hotel loyalty programs can unlock significantly higher value, especially for premium cabin flights or luxury hotel stays. For instance, transferring 60,000 points to a partner airline might yield a business class ticket worth $2,000, equating to over 3.3 cents per point. But how does one consistently find these sweet spots? This requires a bit more research. as award availability can fluctuate. It's not uncommon for a single point to be worth upwards of 3 cents when redeemed strategically through a partner, a value rarely matched by direct portal bookings. A common pitfall to avoid is booking without checking partner availability first, only to find that the desired flight or room isn't bookable with points at that higher value. The key is diligent research and understanding the transfer ratios. Points and miles are fantastic for covering flights and accommodations, but a truly unforgettable vacation requires budgeting for more than just the major expenses. Think about the delicious meals, the exciting excursions, and those little things that pop up unexpectedly. Consider the average daily spending for a tourist in a popular destination. For instance, a recent report from Statista indicated that daily expenses for food and activities in Paris can range from $100 to over $200 per person. Without a plan, these costs can quickly add up, even if the airfare and hotel were technically free. So how can one effectively track these additional costs? A simple spreadsheet or a dedicated budgeting app can be a traveler's best friend. Before embarking, estimate daily budgets for food, local transportation, and activities based on research for the chosen destination. Did you know that the average American household spends over $1.200 on vacation incidentals annually, according to a survey by Bankrate? This highlights the importance of accounting for these often overlooked expenses. It's also wise to build in a buffer for the unexpected. Perhaps a spontaneous souvenir purchase or a desire to try a highly rated restaurant not initially budgeted for. This contingency fund ensures a stress-free experience, allowing for enjoyment without financial worry.